If you're spending more time posting on social media than actually growing your business, this tool might save you hours every week. Today, we're looking at SocialBee and showing you how to use it in 2026, plus whether it's still worth your time and money. So what exactly is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that lets you create, organize, schedule, and automate posts across multiple social platforms from one dashboard. Instead of manually posting every day, the idea is simple. Plan once, let SocialBee handle the publishing. When you first open SocialBee, the setup is pretty straightforward. Step 1, connect your social accounts. You can link platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest, and others. Step 2, create content categories. This is actually one of SocialBee's most unique features. Instead of throwing everything into one content calendar, you can organize posts into categories like promotions, educational content, quotes, tips, or blog updates. Step 3, add your posts. You can create them manually, import content, or even use SocialBee's AI tools to generate captions and ideas. Step 4, set your schedule. Choose when each content category should publish, and SocialBee automatically rotates content based on those rules. One feature users talk about a lot is evergreen content recycling. If you have posts that stay relevant for months, SocialBee can automatically reuse them instead of making you recreate content every week. You also get content calendar views, analytics, integrations with design tools, collaboration options for teams, and bulk scheduling features. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with the pros. SocialBee makes managing multiple platforms much easier. The category system is genuinely different from many standard schedulers. Automation saves time, and users often mention that once everything is configured, maintaining consistent posting becomes much easier. But there are a few downsides. Several users mentioned there's a learning curve in the beginning because the category system can feel different from traditional schedulers. Some people also feel pricing becomes harder to justify if you only need simple scheduling. And if you prefer very minimal tools, SocialBee may feel more feature-heavy than necessary. So, is SocialBee worth using in 2026? If you're a creator, freelancer, small business, or agency that publishes regularly and wants more automation, SocialBee is still one of the stronger social media management options out there. But if you only schedule a few posts every month, you may not use enough features to justify the cost. Overall, SocialBee feels less like a simple scheduler and more like a full content workflow system. If you want to try it for yourself, check out the link in the description. And if this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what social media tools should I review next?